Yes, very good morning.
Morning, sir.
Very good morning. Very good morning. Right. My slides are visible.
Yes, sir.
During today's class, I request some people. I think in a cyclic way, we can request a few people to solve the equation. At present, I request Nabil number 77, 78, 79 and 81. You please you join with us. Yes, now to solve. Yesterday, what we were introduced about the initial value problem and the boundary value problem. We were taught the ordinary differential equation and the partial, the basic, the conventional information about the partial differential equation and how these partial differential equations can be categorized into elliptic or a parabolic or a hyperbolic equation. That is what we were discussed, and even the standard 5-point formula and for diagonal 5-point formula and the Laplace equation. How these Laplace equation and the Leibniz iteration process applied for finding the solution, that we were discussed in the last class. And I think we were stopped here, and I have requested you to solve this particular problem. Anyone tried, and what was the result for U1, U2, U3 and U4? What is U1, what is U2, what is U3, what is U4? Tell me the results.
Sir, U1 is 653.333. 53.333.
Is Nabil. Okay, then U2.
U2 641.667.
Good. What was U3? What is U3?
441.667.
Is, see, this is what the way we need to depend with either standard 5-point formula or the diagonal 5-point formula. Concerning the standard 5-point formula, here in the last problem we have the midpoint. That is we were started our iteration from finding the results of U5. In that we were considered the H, that is interval, as 2. But in this case, we doesn't have any midpoint, so we need to find one by one. But we should have some hypothesis. We should have some assumption. So U1, we need to take two. We need to consider two unknowns, that is U2 and U3, concerning 2000, 1000, U2 and U3. But while applying the diagonal 5-point formula, there is a possibility of the reduction in the assumption. We are going to assume only one value, so it is suggested to take the diagonal 5-point formula for the first, that is initial iteration. So for initial iteration, the U4 is 0. While applying 0, you will get U1 as 1000, and subsequently, as said, Nabil said, the results at 625, 875 and 375, and this is what the various results. That is for the last iteration. I think 0th iteration, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7th, and the at 7th iteration we are getting UN as 1208, U2 as 792, U as 1042, and U4 as 458. And this is what the today's problem, that is solve the Laplace equation Uxx plus Uyy is equal to 0 for the square mesh as shown in figure, with the boundary values are shown using Libman's iteration procedure, obtain the values correct to integer. So here we are going to take with the decimal, we are going to keep the values with integers since it was given in the problem. So this is what your given boundary condition and given square mesh. Usually when the mathematical solution is not available, the given region in the xy plane is divided into a network or a lattice of squares by drawing lines parallel to the coordinate axis at intervals of h. The intervals in x-axis is usually called as h, and the intervals in y-axis is usually called as in k. The point of intersection of these lines are called as in lattice points. This is what the lattice point. The various u's are usually called as in lattice point or mesh points or grid points. So this is the entire structure is usually called as in lattice of squares. And now the here see the given boundary condition or a given lamina. This is I am trying to divide with axis, two different axes with respect to the u5, and I am trying to draw the axis of xx and yy. See here, when concerning about the x-axis, all the boundary conditions are same. See here 0 and 0. Here 0, 0, 200 and 200. On the RHS also it would be 0, 0, 200, 200. Here 100, 100 and 200, 200 and 100, 100. So this is what symmetric about x-axis, as well it is symmetric about y-axis. We have 0, 0, 200, 200, 400, 400, and the boundaries are same with respect to both the axis xx and yy. Therefore there won't be any need to find from find the lattice point from all the lattice point from u1 to u9, because there are the given boundary or the given lattice or given lamina is symmetric about both axes. So u1 is equal to u2 is equal to u7 is equal to u9. Let me crack one by one. Let me crack one by one. The given boundary values are symmetric with respect to the horizontal and vertical line. I have denoted the horizontal as xx and vertical as yy. So when it was symmetric about xx, what we need to take, u1 is equal to u7 and u2 is equal to u8, as well u3 is equal to u9. Similarly, if it is symmetric about yy axis, u1 is equal to u3, u4 is equal to u6 and u7 is equal to u9. And now, so if when I am concerning both axes, so u1 is equal to u3 is equal to u7 is equal to u9. That is what I have written here. And u2 is equal to u8 and u4 is equal to u6. And there won't be any need to find all the points. We can converge with u1, u2, u4 and u5. From with these four different points, we can populate other all five. With calculating the 4, the 9, we can get all the 9 values. So our focus is to find u1, u2, u4 and u5. Okay, and Nabil, take your calculator. I need four fellows to solve this particular problem. Nabil, take your calculator and share your screen, Nabil. And Shai Ranga, take your calculator and share your screen. Shai Ranga, you are going to calculate one by one. First, Navin will calculate u1, and the Sai Ranga will calculate u2, and Nishant will calculate u4. I think u4, and Sai Teja will calculate u5. and we can continue till achieving the similar results with integers. Nabil, share your screen, Nabil.
So can you show the figure, sir?
Yes, I'll get the four fillers first. Nabil, Shai Ranga, what happened, Shai Ranga? He is attending and simply putting the attendance and leaving. Nishant?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are going to calculate the second value. Sai Teja.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Nishant.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you share your screen and
Yes,
take
sir.
your calculator. Nabil.
So, which value I should calculate, sir? U4.
I'll tell you. You first share your screen. Nabil, unmute your mic and share your screen. I'll steam my PPT. Nabil.
Sir, I'll calculate, sir. I cannot share the screen. Sorry, sir.
Why?
Sir, there's some work going on.
Work going on.
Yeah.
Sai Ranga.
Hello.
Hello. What happened? Sai Ranga? Are you attending the classes?
Yes, sir. Power cut, sir. So
Power went.
I rejoined again. Yes, sir. Power cut.
Okay. You wait. In the subsequent problem, you can calculate the other values. If the four persons, okay, you Nabil, you take rest. Sai Ranga, you take your calculator.
Yes, sir.
Sai Ranga, Nishant, Sai Teja, and Pranav.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Right. You try to share your screens.
Sir, my PC don't have any cam, sir.
Okay. See, and okay, Nishant.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, you start sharing your screen. Nishant, Sai Teja. What happened, man?
Sir.
Yes, very good, Nishant. Wait, I request three other friends to join with you, Nishant. Sai Teja. Sai Teja, you please share your screen and take your calculator and
Facing some network issues.
what happened?
Network issues.
Network issue. Pranav, Sanjay, Sabarish.
So Pranav is not in the meeting. He isn't attending class today.
Okay.
Sir, I was
Sanjay,
absent yesterday,
Sabarish.
so I don't know what to do.
Yes, sir.
He's absent today. Okay, no issues.
Yes, sir.
With the other fellow, we can do it.
Yes, sir. Hello?
Yes, Sanjay.
Sir, I can do the maths, sir. If you tell me, like, I can't because of the network issues. Yeah, I'm using my net right, mobile net, so it won't be good.
So, right. I think it is very.
Sir,
hard
I can
to-
calculate, sir. Sir, if you show me the question, I can just give the answer.
No, I have already calculated, man.
Okay.
How
sir.
I can recognize whether you are calculating or you are repeating my same results? If you are showing your calculator, if you are steaming your screen with your I can watch, or I can even your friends also can watch, right? I think this won't be very good, since I'll have in some various constraints. Okay, thank you, Nishant. You also join with your fellow friends. Yes, we will begin with Nabil, Sai Ranka, Nishant, and
Yes,
Sai
sir.
Teja. Yes, stop sharing your screen. Thank you, Nishant.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Right, I tried to make all of you to cope up or to make the class very interactive. I tried, but see, this is what happening in the online classes. Right, you yes, you draw this diagram first. One by one, you calculate U1 first, U2 and U4, and then U5. We will begin with U5 first. Concerning h is equal to take the interval as 2 and first calculate your U5. In order to calculate our U5, in order to calculate our U5, 0.25 into 400, 200, 400 and 200. What is our U5? For our
300,
initial
sir.
iteration, yes. I need 4 fellows: Nabil, Shai Ranga, Nishant, and Sai Teja. Nabil, you calculate U1. Nabil,
Yes, sir.
Shai Ranga, you calculate U2. Shai Ranga.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nishant, you calculate U4.
Yes, sir.
Sai Teja, you calculate U5.
Sorry, sir. I haven't attended the last class, sir.
It is very simple, very simple, very simple. I'll tell you the procedure. Don't worry about it. It is very easy. Yes.
So U1 is
See,
220.
yes, U1 is 225. Then U2 is
237.1.
237.5. Let it be 238 since it was given as an integer. So take it as 238. And U4?
Sir, calculating, sir. 1 minute, sir.
.5, sir.
Yes. This is what the initial iteration. In the initial iteration, we took h is equal to for calculating U5. The rest are the interval we were considered h is equal to 1. So based on Lippmann's iteration formula, it can be uniform h is equal to 1 because we are already having some basic information, that is in initial iteration we got some values for 4 different u's, and so put n is equal to 0 for the first iteration, so and n is equal to 1 for second, and for subsequent iteration continue again. And yes, this is what the way in which you need to solve your problem. I think you calculated U1, U5, U6, U7, U8, and U9, right? My U1 is equal, my U is equal to my U7 is equal to my U9, right? Therefore we are going to calculate U1 alone. My U2 is equal to my U8, and Our focus is to find the U2. U3 is equal to not U3. U4 is equal to our U6. Okay, and then U5. Yes, one by one. You tell me the U1 first. I'll tell you the ABCD value. That is in your calculator. I think you made it with 0.25 into A plus B plus C plus D, and then give CLC, and your A is 200, 100, 238, and 288. Nabil?
206.5, sir. 206.5.
206.8. Okay. Okay. Therefore, our U3, U7, and our U9 are also 207. Okay. In continuation with Nabil, Sai Ranga, now calculate your U2. That is 207, 200, 207, and 300. Sai Ranga. Sai Ranga. Sai Ranga. Nishant.
Sir, it said his net is down, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you repeat the values once again, sir? 207.
207, 200.
Yes, sir.
Again 207 and 300.
Sir, 228.5.
Okay. Therefore, it has to be given for
229.
U8 also. U8 also. Then Nishant.
Yes, sir.
Nishant, you calculate U4, Nishant. 400, 207, 300, and 207.
278.5, sir.
Yes. Then it has to be given to U6 also.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then Sai Teja. Sai Teja.
Sir, sir, I haven't attended the last.
I'll tell you, Sai Teja. You take your calculator. You give 0.25 into A plus B plus C plus D and give CALC. I'll tell you the ABCD values. Nothing there with these mathematical calculation. 279, 229, 279, and 229. Sai Teja. Sanjay.
Sorry, sir, I'm unable.
What you are doing, man? Since you are absent, you need to get the information from your friends, right? Why you are wasting the
Yes,
time, Sanjay? Sanjay,
Yes, sir, sir.
Sanjay, you please
Yes, sir.
calculate the U5 value, Sanjay.
Yes, sir.
279, 229, 279, and 229.
Sir, 254, sir.
Okay, 254. Good. Then continue in the same way. Nabil, you continue the UN, Nabil.
Yes, sir. Can you say the value, sir?
Nabil.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wait. Who is the second fellow? Sai. Okay, Sai. Who is calculating the next one? Nishant. And Sanjay. Okay, then Nabil, I'll tell you the values: 200, 100, 229, and 279.
202, sir.
Yes, yes. Then 202 has to be given to U3, U7, and U9. Then
sir.
Sai, 202, 200, 202, and 254. Sai. Tell me, Nabil. 202.
214.5.
214.5. So I have written as 215.
Yes.
Then it has to be assigned to U8 also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then Nishant.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Calculate the U4, Nishant. 400, 202,
Yes, sir.
254, 202.
Yes, sir. So 264.5.
Yes, that was written as 265.
265.
Then it has to disseminate into U6. U6 also 265. Then Sanjay.
Yes, sir. Doing sir.
Sanjay, 265, 215, 265, 215.
Sir, 240, sir.
240. Good. Then Nabil, 200, 100, 215, 265.
195, sir.
195. Good. 195 has to be disseminated to U3 as well U7,
U7, U9,
and
sir.
U9.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sai, I think Sai went out. Nabil, you tell me the U2 also. 195, 200, 195, and 240.
207.5.
Yes, 208. Then 208 has to be given to UA2.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then calculate, Nishant, you calculate
Yes, sir.
U4. 400, 195,
Sir,
240,
400.
400, 195,
240.
240, again 195.
So 257.5.
Yes, that was assigned as 258. Here also it was. Then U6 also 280, 258.
Yes, sir.
Then Sanjay, you calculate U5, Sanjay. Sanjay.
Yes, sir. Doing sir. Can you repeat
Yes.
the value, sir? Like I'm getting confused.
258, 208, again 258 and 208.
Sir, 233, sir.
233. Okay. Yes. This is what? The third iteration. Then the fourth iteration. Nabil. 200, 100, 208, 258.
191.5.
Yes, 192. Here also 192,
Yes, sir.
192, and 192. Yes, 192, 200. Nabil, continue. 192, 200, 192, and 233.
204.25, sir.
204, 204, 204.25.
25.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Nishant,
Yes, sir.
yes, 400, 192, 233,
So
192.
254.25.
Yes. Then this is also 254. And Sanjay. Sanjay. Nishant, you tell
Yes,
me
sir,
the
sir.
value. Yes,
Yes,
Sanjay.
sir, doing
Why
so.
you are leaving? Yes, you calculate 192. 190. Now our focus is to find U5, right? U5. That is 254, 204, 254, 204.
Sir, 229, sir.
229. So I have written as 220. So continue the iteration. Since it was given as the integer has to be, we need to get the same integer. So while continuing till the 8th iteration, you'll get the same results, 188 here and 188, and these four are same. And concerning U2, 201, 201, 201, and 201. Concerning this, 251 and 251 here, 226. So our results are U1 and U3, U7 and U9 is equal to 188, and U2 and U8 as 208, and U4 and U6 as 251, and U5 is equal to 226. And this is the way, this is the order you have to follow while calculating your unknown U1 and U2, U4 and U5. Okay, whether do you have any doubts with this example 4? Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, yes. Tomorrow you please be
sir.
ready to share your screen, Nabil. Nabil and other all attendees. From tomorrow you please be ready to share your screen. Okay. You attend in a private space, or if there won't be anything, we are already aware. You are in your home. Why you are hesitating to share your screens? Some work will happen all the time. Okay. Okay, you share the current affairs. Nishant.
Sir, yesterday RCB lost, sir.
RCB. Okay, I didn't watch. You make a little detailed note about it, Nishant. RCB versus
KKR, sir.
RCB versus
KKR.
KKR. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, tell me the details.
Sir, ask order for 93. Sir.
RCB.
So they were all out for 93, sir.
RCB scored only 93, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Or okay, okay, okay. Who bowled first, or who bowled, and who batted
So
first?
Varun Chakravarti bowled well, sir. So Varun Chakravarti, sir.
Varun Chakravarti. Okay. Who batted well?
Sir, that side only one wicket went, sir.
Okay, okay.
The match was over in 10 overs.
Oh, matches over within 10 overs, right?
Yes, sir. First, RCB, they batted for 19 overs, sir. Then
Oh,
KKR batted for 10 overs.
Only they scored only 93.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Within 10 overs, it was chased by KKR.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Very good. And any other political agendas, political informations? Who is the Punjab CM today? Anyone from Punjab? Anyone from Punjab? Siddharthan. Siddharthan, Google.
I forgot the name, but Dalit member become a chief minister.
In Punjab, that it was the first. He is the first fellow from Dalit who is taking charge of CM. Charanjit Singh, right?
Yes, sir.
Charanjit Singh, and yes, very good. And concerning Tamil Nadu, no fee for students under 7.5% quota, and the tuition fees for the government school students will be taken by the government. That was the very fine and very good information for the engineering college management as well for faculties. The fee for the government students will be taken will be paid by the state government, and it would be estimated as 250 crore per year, and that was very fine and very good information. Anyone from Andhra Pradesh? From R34, anyone from Andhra Pradesh?
Yes, sir. Andhra Pradesh. Yes, sir. I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
Yes, sir.
Sushma, yes. Already, I think it was already there in Andhra Pradesh, right? Even for doing
Yes.
engineering graduation, whether it might be a government school student or it might be a private school students, the fee, full fee waiver. That is, fee waiver means the government will give the fee, right? Am I right? Or any
Like for private, we only, sir. For government, they will pay. Like state government.
state government will pay for whom?
Yes, sir. MCET
To
college, sir.
whom?
And
To
MCET
whom?
colleges.
Students, sir, for who have very less income, sir. Like they having white card or something like that.
Irrespective of a government school or a private school, the government will give the
Yes,
fee,
sir.
right?
Based on the income. Based on the
Based
income,
on
sir.
based on the income. What was the income they are expecting to get this facility to avail this? What was the
Sir, because like members should have less than 2 acres of land like that, and they need and 1 lakh below, I think so, like that, and they should have white card, sir, which was like given to the who have very less income in our states. I don't know about other states, but we have white card like that.
you are from Andhra Pradesh, Jayant?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I'm from
Yes,
Andhra Pradesh.
then you did you please read more about these things. Who if one fellow has to avail this facility, then he has to fulfill the what all the norms. You please go ahead along with the Shushma. You please read the content with
Yes,
with
sir.
various government orders, and so that we can understand what is happening in Andhra Pradesh. Since the maximum number of engineering colleges in the state is the integrated of Andhra and Telangana has more than 700. Am I right?
Yes, sir, around 800 colleges are there.
Is around 800. Since it was recently it was separated. Then in continuation with Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu has more than 500. So in order to sustain these engineering colleges education, the government has to take some decisions like this. Now government, Tamil Nadu government taken some strategies like that. The other has to, or other things has to be done. If it is good from Andhra Pradesh, then we can expect the same from Tamil Nadu also. So you please try to read the things with these free Viber or what it might be the vocabulary. You search and you tell me in the subsequent class, Jayant and Sushma.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Yes. Any other current affair? Any other current affair? The health minister Mansukh Mandavia revealed about the vaccine export. Once it is resumed in India, once it is India has to fulfill its supply commitment towards COVAX, then the government of India has a plan to export the vaccine. And yes, there are many. You please try to read all the contents, and you please have an opinion about all the things. Anyone from Punjab? Anyone from Punjab in our group? Okay, we'll continue. Yes, since we have only 4 minutes. Okay, this is what problem number 5, exercise number 5. Solve uxx plus uyy is equal to 0 for the following square mesh with boundary values. So as shown in figure, iterate until the maximum difference between the successive values at any point is less than 0.001. Who is ready to solve this problem? I need two fellows. I need two guys to solve this particular problem. Whether this problem belongs to elliptic, parabolic, or hyperbolic. Whether this problem belongs to elliptic, parabolic, or hyperbolic. Sanjay? Siddharth, it is audible, Siddharth.
Sir, elliptic, sir.
Audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes. Yes, I need two volunteers. Those who are having calculator, you please raise your hand. You I need two fellows. Anshu, Sushma, you please take your calculator and unmute your mic. Anshu and Sushma.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Has some problem with mic.
Okay, then for me, take your calculator for me. For me, Sushma.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes,
Sir.
concerning this particular problem, this is symmetric about that is AC and BD. These corners are assigned as A, B, C, D, and 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, and 3, 2. What we usually do with these lattice point, we will assign U1, U2, U3, and U4. But concerning this AC, we have 2 and 2 and 3 and 3, 3 and 3 and 2 and 2. So it is symmetric about AC, as well it is symmetric about BD. Here also 2 and 2, 3, 3, 3, 3 and 2, 2. So it is symmetric about both AD, so AC and BD. We will divide first AC. It is symmetric about AC. So U2 and U3 are same. U2 and U3 are same. And concerning this symmetric, that is BD symmetric, U1 is equal to R U4. So it is enough to calculate with U1 and U2. We'll try to calculate our U1. In order to calculate U1, V doesn't have any corner points. The corner point is A. Here 3 and 3 and here U1. If the corner point is given, then it is suggested to take the it is suggested to calculate the U1 with the diagonal 5-point formula. Since here V doesn't have any corner point, so there won't be any feasibility to calculate these with the diagonal 5-point formula, and we need to take with the standard 5-point formula 2, 2 and 0 and 0. 0.25 into 2, 2, 0, 0. For me, you tell me the U1 value, and so Sushma, you tell me the U2 value. For me?
Sir, U1 value is 1, sir.
Yes, 0.25 into 2, 2, 2, 0, 0. And
Yes.
Sushma, you tell me the U2 value. 1, 3, 1, 3, 3 and 1. 1, 3, 3 and 1. Sushma, what happened? Sushma?
Sir, 2, sir.
2. Yes, continue the iteration for me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. 8 into 0.25. For me?
Yes, sir. 2.26, sir. U1.
U1? No. See here, I have already showcased 2, 2, 2, 2, 8, 8 divided by 4, 2. That returns 2. Sushma, you calculate U2. 3, 3, 2, 2.
2.5, sir.
Okay. Then subsequent iteration for me. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes. See here the initial values are 2, 2 and then take the new U2 value 2.5, 2.5. 2, 2, 2.5, 2.5. Fast, fast.
Sir, is it 1 second, 2.9 by 4. 2.
2.25. 2.25. Then Sushma. 2.25, 33, 2.25.
Sir, 2.625, sir.
Okay, then the subsequent iteration. 2, 2, I'll tell you, Sushma, you calculate. I think there is an interruption with the network issue with the
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
2, 2, 2, 2, 2.625, 2.625.
2.3125, sir.
Then 2.3125, 33, 2.3125.
$2.6563, sir.
Very good. Then 2.63, 6363, 6563, 2.6363, 6563.
$2.3282, sir.
Then
2.3282.
2.3282.
$2.6641, sir.
6641. Very good. Then 2.6641, 2.6641.
$2.3231, sir. 3321. 2.3321.
Very good. 2.3321, 2.3321.
2.661. 2.661.
661. Okay, then continue the iteration. 2.6661, 2.22, 2.6661, 2.6661.
2.331, sir.
31. Very good. Then 2.331, 2.331.
2.46, sir. Like.
Yes, 6666. Yes, the same result you will get with 3-digit accuracy in the 6th and 7th iteration. The difference between these two are less than 0.001. So we can stop our iteration with 7th iteration. So our U1 is equal to 2.33333 and our UT is 2.6666. Okay, here the difference is less than 0.001. So this is what the required solution. Do you have any doubts? Do you have any doubts?
Sir?
Yes, yes.
Sir, I have a question. So, sir, we took the value of U2 as 0 and 0 initially. That's why we got U1 as 1.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. So, but I tried like solving the equation, like U1 is equal to 1 by 4 into 4 plus 2 U2.
1 by 4 plus 4 plus
2 U2.
4 plus 2 U2. Okay, okay, good.
And for U2 also I did the same thing, like 1 by 4 into 6 plus 2 U1.
Okay, okay, okay.
So, but when I solved it, I got
okay,
U2.
you'll get two different equations.
Yes.
Well, solving, what was your result?
So, U2 is equal to 8 by 3.
What is our 8 by 3?
So,
2.6666, right? They're getting the same results.
Okay.
2.666 and so on and 7.
Okay.
What is your E1? What is your E1?
Sir, I didn't solve U1. I just. Okay, sir, I got it, sir.
You got it? What is your E1? Yes, very good, Amolya. You tried in different approach. Yes, this is what we need. Very good. Any other queries? Any other queries?
Sir, why to fix to 4 digits, sir?
Pardon, Siddharthan?
Sir, Dinesh, sir.
Dinesh, tell me, Dinesh.
Why to fix to 4 digits, sir?
Why to?
Fix to 4 digits, sir.
No. See, we are not fixed 4 digits. In the given problem, they are asked us to get the solution with the successive values at any point is less than 0.001. The difference between the past and present iteration would be less than 0.001. That is what our focus. You try with all the values. You'll get an appropriate answer for your question, Dinesh.
Okay.
You try to calculate the difference in each iteration.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Hope you understood. Tomorrow at 12:30 we'll meet. Thank you. You please leave the meeting.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.